talk English, but I'm sorry to those non-speaking Lithuanian, because my video, the start, will be in Lithuanian, but I guess you'll sense the vibe, and you'll recognize some faces from the public, and you'll see the smiles of the kids that we're teaching creative technology these days. So I'll start with the video, and then jump to the mini intro of our event.
Man patinka kažką kurti. Nu kažkas tokio. Tie vaikai, kurie programuoja, jie viso gyvenime sprendžia lengviau. Programavimas iš tikrųjų du dalykai. Tai yra logika ir kūryba. Tai jeigu vaikai turi šituos įgūdžius, jie gali padaryti bet ką.
Programavimas tai iš tikrųjų yra toks savotiškas stebuklas, kai iš daugybės skaičių krūvos, nesusijusių faktų krūvos, staiga gauni dalyką, kuris yra patogus naudoti ir iš tikrųjų išsprendžia daugybę problemų.
Mano pažintis su kompiuteriu buvo pirmą kartą, kai buvau 11 ar 12 metų. Kai pamačiau, man tiesiog užsidegė akis, nes tai yra stebuklinga dėžutė, kuriai kažko paprašyti ir tai padaro, nori.
Tai man tėtis pirmą kompiuterį nupirko, iš tikrųjų savo nusipirko kompiuterį, bet aš neišvengiamai gavau jo dozę irgi, paskui tai nespėjus susizgirti žiūrėjau, žaidimą padaręs esi kažkokį. Tai, bet čia man buvo, man atrodo, 6 metų gavau kompiuterį. Tai mano anksti karjera prasidėjo programuotoju.
Už 20 metų, gal greičiau, didžiąją dalį mūsų gyvenimo pasaulio valdys kompiuteriai, technologijos ir aš manau, kad ateitis priklauso žmonėms, kurie valdys tos kompiuterius.
Visi norėčiau būti žaidimus. Aš mėgstu visokius siuntimo kodus nulaužinėti. Nes kompiuteris tiesiog yra labai geras dalykas. Gali ten kurti bele ką. Noriu būti programuotoju, nes išmokti programuoti ir padėti žmonėms.
Mūsų tikslas – įkvėpti naują kūrybinių technologų kartą, kurie sukurs geresnį rytojų.
Programavimas tai gebėjimas įgyti supergalias. Jeigu norite jas įgyti, jeigu norite turėti supergalių, tai ateikite ir išmokite programuoti.
So it all started almost a year ago when I decided that I don't know how to leave YouTube. Oh yeah, there it is. Doesn't work. No worries, you can just leave it here. So it all started almost a year ago when I decided that I want to teach kids to code here in Vilnius. And when I thought about coding itself, it occurred to me, and I reminded to myself that when working a lot with technical people, they always lack integrity with other people working with them, like design people or copywriters or business people. And I thought that just teaching kids to code is not enough. In about 5 or 10 years' time, everyone will know how to code, but you don't only need to know the syntaxes, you also need to know how, why, and where to use that code, and those skills of a creative technologist. So I've started a school called bit&Byte, which is, sounds quite funny in Lithuanian when you translate it, but it's actually about those two information pieces, bit&Byte, that kind of are everywhere, and most of the kids who are heavy iPad or iPhone users don't even know how computers work. They don't even know how to open a browser and type a web address in it, because they are just using apps, and you would never think that will be their biggest trouble. And in a week's time, we're hosting an event at Vinted office, which is called Our Code Vilnius. It's a Lithuanian version of a global initiative. They're planning to have around 100 million kids coding in a week's time all over the world, and we're inviting 300 kids to the Vinted office from all over Vilnius, ages 7 to 14, to try creative technology, to try coding, try to demystify the boringness of coding, try to demystify the boringness of people's daily lives who work in technology by inviting them to Vinted office. And I'm very keenly inviting, if you have kids, cousins, and neighbors, maybe friends who are 7 to 14 years old, to check out this initiative and come over next Saturday to Vinted office. And also, if you have somewhere in the back of your mind a willingness to teach kids to use and love technology and to become makers of technology, not only users, we're also very keen to see a wide variety of mentors coming over to the event. So the registration both for the kids and the mentors is still open until Tuesday. There's very little spots left for the kids and only about 5 spots left for the mentors. So if your Saturday is unplanned and you want to see the new generation of Lithuanian inventors, please join us next Saturday and spread the word. Thank you.
Have you got any questions? Did you try coding yourself? Do you want to try? Do you have kids who want to try?
We don't accept older kids, do you?
We wanted to have 7 to 14-year-olds because the 16-year-olds have higher demands regards to technology, and it's very different from what 8-year-old and 17-year-old can actually understand when sitting in a computer, like in terms of logics. And for example, we have kids in our Saturday school that don't read, but they code. So, that's how they start these days.
And how many do you have?
50. We have 50 because we started only a few months ago, so we have only like trial classes, and we're hoping to build a curriculum that could be distributed to like public schools in 2-3 years. So hopefully everyone gets to touch what it is to be a creative technologist.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So I'd like to introduce our guest speaker,